Hey, what's up everybody? So in front of you we have the INIU power bank. This is 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Model P41L-E1. We're going to give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Once you have the box open, inside you'll find a pouch, pamphlets, user manual, battery percentage are increments of 20, so again, this is 10,000 milliamp hour battery, fast charge. Here's your battery indicator. Here is the built-in USB-C cable that also acts as a little holder, power button, here's the specs on the back. You do have your USB-C in and out, and you have a USB-A out. So here you can charge your device, here you can charge your device and recharge the battery pack, and the built-in USB-C cable does both. Charge your devices and charge the battery pack. So if you need to charge it, go ahead, plug this into a USB-C power adapter and it'll charge it. And I believe if you press the power button twice, LED light turns on. Double press again, turns it off. So there is about 60, 20, 40, 60% battery. These two right here are not lit up, otherwise it will be 80 and 100. So here I have my Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. Just go ahead and plug it in. And you can see it's charging and fast charging as well. Here I have my iPad Pro M1. You can see it's charging the device as well. So I can charge the iPad and my smartphone and one other device, such as headphones or